Are you looking for the best 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Original Prusa for Malawian Kwacha's 3D Printer Kit. The original Prusa for Malawian Kwacha's solidifies its position as a top-tier 3D printer in today's market, blending cutting-edge technology with user-centric design. Its 32-bit connected architecture and Nextruder extruder enable high-speed printing, reducing print times by up to 70% compared to its predecessor. The automatic first-layer calibration, which uses a load cell sensor, eliminates the need for manual adjustments, addressing a common frustration among users. However, the printer's advanced features and higher price point may deter beginners, budget-conscious buyers, or curiosity-seeking consumers. Despite this, the MK4's versatility shines through its ability to handle various materials, from standard PLA to more challenging filaments like flex and nylon. Number 2. Dremel DigiLab 3D45. This Dremel model is a favorite among not only professionals but consumers as well. This model is popular because of its high-speed printing capabilities and the details that it can print. While it is one of the pricier models included here, it's a bargain for those who are looking for superior print quality. The printer has other perks. It's quiet and easy to use. Print from USB, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, or USB thumb drive. This is not an entry-level option, but it's a solid choice for those looking to upgrade their 3D printer or invest in quality from the outset. Number 3. Comgrow Official Creality Ender 3v2. Sometimes you just want to unpack a printer and start making things. Unfortunately, there aren't any 3D printers available right now capable of that, but the Ender 3v2 comes close. In my tests, this printer took less than 10 minutes to set up and start printing since it comes mostly pre-assembled, unlike many other models in this price range. The software is also easy to work with, and the print results are excellent. It is one of the noisier models in this roundup, if that factors into your choice. Number 4. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro. The Adventurer 5M series 3D printer offers an appealing package for beginners entering the world of 3D printing. Its one-click automatic printing feature simplifies the often daunting bed leveling process, ensuring consistent results without manual adjustments. The printer's easy-to-operate design extends to its rapid nozzle changes and multiple platform options, catering to various skill levels and project needs. While the 12x ultra-fast printing capability may be more than novices want or require, it provides room for growth. The real-time app monitoring adds convenience, allowing users to oversee prints remotely. Overall, the Adventurer 5M series balances accessibility with advanced capabilities, making it a solid choice for those starting their 3D printing journey. Number 5. ELEGOO Neptune 4 Pro. The ELEGOO Neptune 4 Pro 3D printer offers compelling features for figurine makers. Its high-speed printing capability, up to 500 mm per second, allows for quick production of detailed models. The enhanced precision from its upgraded metal guide rails helps to ensure the finer details typically found in figurines aren't lost. The dual-gear direct drive extruder provides smooth filament feeding, crucial for intricate designs. The printer's auto-leveling feature and high-temperature nozzle contribute to consistent quality across prints. Its compatibility with various materials, including PLA and ABS, offers versatility in figurine creation. Keep in mind, the build volume may limit larger figurines, and the high speed could potentially affect fine detail quality if not properly calibrated. Overall, the Neptune 4 Pro balances speed and precision, which makes this a solid choice for figurine enthusiasts, though careful settings adjustment may be necessary for optimal results. Number 6. MakerBot Replicator Plus. MakerBot produces printers that are well suited for enthusiasts and professionals. As you might expect for its $2,100 price tag, this model is ready to go right out of the box with only minimal setup required. It offers considerable advantages over the previous replicator model in terms of both speed and size of items it can produce. This printer has a build volume of 7.6 inches by 11.6 inches by 6.5 inches. Number 7. Our QIDI Technology Max 3 3D Printer. The QIDI's price falls between beginner and mid-range but offers great quality for what you pay. This model's polished design stands out from many other inexpensive 3D printers, delivering high-quality printed models to match. You'll also get features not found on other, more budget-minded printers, including the ability to print large sizes. It comes with excellent documentation to get you printing quickly.